Hello, welcome to this Markets.com company profile of AT&T Incorporated. I'm your host, Luisana Swegart. Let's get started. Founded in 1983 as Southwestern Bell Corporation, the company's headquarters are located in Dallas, Texas. Over 300,000 employees worldwide work for AT&T, which has a market cap over $191 billion and operates mostly in the US, but also worldwide. The company is made up of three core segments: wireless, wireline, and advertising and publishing. AT&T is run by CEO Randall Stevenson and CFO Richard Lindner. As far as the stock market is concerned, AT&T is traded on the New York Stock Exchange, where it is listed on the Dow Industrials and S&P 500. Let's go ahead and take a look at the company's reported financials for 2007. Reported revenues came in at $119 billion, and net earnings came in at $12 billion. As we take a look at the balance sheet, total assets were over $275 billion, while liabilities were $160 billion, with equities making up the difference at nearly $150 billion. The debt-to-equity ratio of the firm was sitting at 0.7. On December 31st, 2007, the stock closed at $41.56. In 2007, AT&T paid a total $8.7 billion in dividends to its shareholders. Moving on to operations, AT&T offers telephone, wireless, internet, television, and business services, with Verizon Communications as its largest competitor. AT&T's vision for growth is all based on new technology. They believe that as time progresses, more people will want to sign up for better telecommunication services. This includes their new UVerse services, which are similar to Verizon's fiber optic service. Through this service, customers are able to receive internet, cable, and phone services digitally. UVerse is expected to reach 30 million customers by the end of 2010. In addition, as it has for a long time now, AT&T continues to improve its wireless services to attract new customers. Until a couple of months ago, the company's stock was having a good year run, and the reason for its recent poor performance has a lot to do with prices, starting with the price of the iPhone. At $200 apiece, it means Apple will be getting a huge subsidy for each phone sold by AT&T. Next, the price of their wireless services are under pressure as competitors T-Mobile and Sprint lower their prices. Finally, the third being the price of UVerse, which at the moment is inexpensive for them because they are not building an all-encompassing fiber optic network. However, if that fails, they will have to roll out a new, more capital-intensive program. Overall, the company looks like a good option for investors to secure a stake at a lower price because of the sector's comeback strategies during a downturn. And that will do it for this Markets.com company profile of AT&T Incorporated. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm your host, Luisana Swegart. See you next time.